Hi, I'm Christina Colosimo of OaklawnToyotaBlog.com. This here is Riggs, and we are here to tell you why we absolutely love our 2018 Toyota RAV4.
Stylish and sophisticated, the RAV4's sleek design is functional and contemporary. Riggs and I love the 60-40 split rear seats. Folding them down creates 73.4 cubic feet of cargo space.
Whether your passenger is a four-legged furry creature or a toddler in a car seat, you can be confident in the RAV4's standard safety sense technology to get you to your destination safely.
The convenience of the height-adjustable power liftgate makes loading cargo a breeze.
For those reasons and more, this is why we love our Toyota RAV4.